Hi, alright, students. Today let us start how to draw this schematic diagram for the lab 1. So I believe that all of you already install your Proteus 8 Professional and execute it and try to create a new project. So after you have execute your Proteus software, you can try to click a new project, or you can come to the file here and click the new project. Then you can type the file name that you would like to save it. I put lab 1 and a brush. I create a folder called lab 1. I like to save my project in the folder lab 1 and click next. Yeah, this is that we are going to draw the schematic diagram. So choose what is the size of your drawing paper that you like to use. So this is a landscape for A4 site or A2. There are so many different sizes. So I just choose a default and then click next. This is a PCB board design. No, we are not going to do any PCB board design. So click on do not create a PCB board layout. Yes, we are going to paste the assembly code programming. Right, and click the create a firmware project. So we're going to use this family PIC16 and the controller, which is a PIC16 F84A, and compiler with MPass assembly. So click next. After that, click finish. Done. So we can see that there are two files here. One is a source code. You can see a source code allow us to paste the programming. The next one, which is a schematic captures. So actually we are going to draw the schematic diagram. So now we need to follow from here this the design, right? And if we want to add in the components, please we need to click something like op amp here, components mode, right? Components mode, and then click P here, P here. As a Windows, we're going to pop up, which is allow us to choose devices. We need a 4 megahertz. Alright, just type crystal. It's a crystal. So CRYSTAL crystals, and a device is come up. Let's just click at this, and you left click mouse one times at here, the page schematic here, and you can see the crystal symbol is come up, right? It's come up. So and then click one more time of your left click, and this crystal we're going to paste on the schematic page here. Double click on this crystal so we can see the specifications here, and we can change anything as you like. Yeah, crystal here I can change to like 4 megahertz to display 4 megahertz. So what's the frequency that you want to use, that we also can change this here. If the programming that we set 4 megahertz, we need to set here 4 megahertz. If not, later on when we do simulations, the timing we're going to be different. So make sure we must set similarly accordingly to the programming. Click OK, so we can see that this is 4 megahertz crystal. We need to rotate. Just right click. Right, if you right click double time, meaning that delete it. Alright, I just double click. That's why it was deleted. So right click one time, and I want to rotate right anti-clockwise. Next, we want the crystal. So which is a 22 picofarad. So I tap 22 picofarad. We can see a lot over here. So I just choose this one again. Paste 2 of the capacitor here. Right. Then we need the ground. Ground. Just come to the terminal mode here. You can see there's a terminals mode. Click onto it. Then you can see there are many components here. But we need the ground. We need ground. Click on the ground, and then press that here. How to do the connections? There's a pencil here, look like pencil, and try to pinpoint to the terminus of the components. You can see there's a red color square appear at the terminal point. Now we click one time. Alright, we click one time using left click. Alright, you can see there's a green color line able to move along during we move our mouse. Okay, so complete the drawing. So you can see that now done. So next we need register and LED. So register here we are going to use again, come to the op-amp components mode here and click to the P. Alright, we need 330 ohms. So I click 330 ohms. Then we can see there are plenty of the ohms. Be careful, this is not resistor, this is inductor. Alright, it is inductor. So you must find ohms. Alright, it's not, you can see here, this is all written in inductor. So actually we are looking for resistor. So we can try delete it, and we type 330, and we come to the category here. We can look at the register. You see, you can see this resistor. Click here. How many watt we want to use? Probably let's say use this 0.6 watt. So you can not K. There's a 330 here. K kilo is what equal to 1000. So we need 330 out. 330 out. 330 out. Then click OK. Click into here. So 330 out. Next we need LED. LED, and then minus. I put red color. So easy. Animated LED. So if you want the green, you can type LED green. So again, I do the connections. Next, the ground. If I want to use the ground again, come to the terminal modes here. Alright, I look at the ground and paste on LED at here. Alright, so this is how to find the components from the library file, and how to complete the first schematic diagram for the lab 1. Alright students, so I hope you like it. Okay, thank you, and we're going to do it next for the programming.